In the meantime, let me show you how it been doing, and this mosquito will not leave me alone. Hello everybody, welcome back and welcome to Lilia's Garden channel. Today I am so excited because it is March already and there are signs of spring, you guys, and it's looking real nice, and I want to show you guys what's going on. So yeah, stick around and I hope you guys enjoy. So I actually want to show you guys how my garlic be doing. It's right there behind me, looking amazing. If you guys have not seen how I planted my garlic, then I'm gonna link the video in the description box so you guys can watch it and learn how it grows just using mulch. And just look at this. Look at this. Here's another shot of my garlic. Ooh, it's like a little garlic forest, guys. Amazing, yeah. An update on my potatoes. How they been looking like. If you guys have not seen the video of how I planted them, and I will also link it in the description box below. Bye!